Hello, my name is Fritz Thorpe, and I'm here today to tell you about one of the best opportunities for a dentist I've ever heard of, and I think you'll agree with me when I'm done. I work for an entrepreneur who has 8 dental assistant schools, and all the schools average 25 or more students per session. So if you run the numbers just with 25, and some of the cities actually have 50 students a session, you can see the numbers, and the numbers are crazy. That's averaging $3,000 per student for an 11-week curriculum program. It is absolutely astounding how much money some of these cities are making. There's one city, Greenville, South Carolina, that averages 50 students a session. Multiply $3,000 times 50 over 2 months with an overhead of maybe 20%. Do you see where I'm going with this? And yes, I could present this opportunity to entrepreneurs, anybody on the street, but I thought, wouldn't this be better to present to the dentist who far know dental assisting better than any entrepreneur, and you can do it right inside your office, and I'm suspecting that a lot of you don't know this can happen. So I'm here to give you a brief explanation how you can have a dental assistant school inside your office and make this kind of money year in and year out. So why would you invest in this as opposed to something else? Because you know about dental assisting. You probably tried the stock market or investing in restaurants or bars, who knows. 98% of those don't work. I know, I was there in your shoes years ago, and they didn't work. I just didn't have an opportunity to invest in something right inside my own school, my own practice, and control it. So this is what it is. I'm going to be brief. If you want more questions, feel free to call me direct or fill the form out. So one of your fears may be, well, if I start a dental assistant school, is it going to work? Of course it's going to work, because you're going to get 5 to 10 calls a day. We have proof of that. Okay? We've even got sample calls of students calling our schools day in and day out. It works. It has worked in every city we've tried it. So this investment is the best investment you'll ever make, and our system is a turnkey, complete system with a full curriculum, the complete marketing package that I use personally every day, and of course we're going to help get you that license through the Department of Education in your state. We have one person that's dedicated to do that. So there are no fears, plus on top of that we're going to give you 20 free student calls like the ones that are up here. Okay, these are not just leads, these are students that are interested in your program and want to make an appointment to come and see you or sign up. So there really is no risk in this investment. And maybe your suspicions are that, well, this is going to take time away from my practice. No, it isn't. You need one dental assistant to answer the phone, or a separate individual person to answer the phone and close the calls, which we have sales training included. And you're going to need dental assistants, a couple of them, to do the training, which probably you have 1 or 2 in your practice right now that wouldn't mind earning an extra $20 an hour or so to do this teaching. and they love the teaching. You'll need to spend maybe a few hours a week on the school just to make sure the calls are coming in, the students are happy, so forth and so on. But the system we have is completely and totally turnkey. It works. We have a guarantee that you're going to get calls. All you have to do is have a good person answering the phone. You have to have a dental office. You have to have a waiting room that might have to hold, 20 students at once. If not, you'll have to divvy up the week and do like a Saturday and another day. But that's the worst that can happen, is you have too many students and you're making too much money. And we only work with one doctor in a city. So once you have a school set up, we will not sell to another doctor, and we will never come into that city and start our own school. We put that in writing. So you have nothing to fear. So this investment is strong, and remember, you should always invest in something you know. You know something about this. I've got proof that it makes a lot of money. Give me a call before somebody starts another school in your city right now. Thanks a lot.